Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. Today's shout out goes to Legendary Beauty. Thank you so much for showing me so much love and support. Te quiero mucho. And if you want to be part of the notification squad, all you have to do is just hit that notification bell down below, and when I post a video, comment. With the notifications, a few of you were asking me like, hey, I'm clicking the notification bell but I'm still not getting alerted. Well, when I went into the notification, when I hit it, it says like sometimes to be notified, like all the time. Hit the all the time, so anytime I post a new video, you guys are notified, because sometimes when you hit this sometimes, it won't notify you all the time, just sometimes. So hit all and then you are set. So new change, I got bangs. So with this story, I didn't want the full shebang like this, but it's okay because I like the way they turned out. You guys like the way they turned out. I don't have them all the way down right now. I only have some down because I just like hurried and got together. I just put my hair up, which I think is gonna be so easy for me. Put my hair up and then I still have some bang. Oh, Eileen does have to trim them for me a little bit because like they're in my eye and stuff. And like I don't want to trim them myself because I'm scared. And I haven't had bangs since Giovanni. Like I had the whole like full bangs, but I haven't had them since Giovanni. So it feels crazy to have them again. I'm just like... But anyways, okay, so I went to three different Walmarts because when I seen that they were coming out with a new L'Oreal collection, summer collection, I was so freaking excited. And I was like, I want it. There's three bronzers, but I only got two. I got the number 1 and I got the number 3. So this says Bronze Please, Sun Powder, Face and Body. So excited. And then I got the 2 blushes that they have. This one is Blush Please. I got number 11, which is this really pretty pink and it has like specks of gold. And then I got number 12, and this one has more like a mauve sort of blush, and it has the gold in there as well. So I was like, that's going to be perfect. And then I picked up the L'Oreal Beach Babe Face and Body Illuminizer 22 Medium to Deep. I got this one. I want to be glowing today. So excited about that. And they didn't have any of the lipsticks. So I was like, come on, Red. You're going to go with me. We're going to go to another Walmart. I swear my brother is always down to go with me when it comes to makeup. If you guys have not watched my vlog, check it out. He went with me and he was such a good sport. Check it out if you guys want to see what we did. So then I went to another Walmart and I found these 3. These are the glowing lip gloss, and this one is See You Soon, Tropic Like It's Hot. And then this one is Shall We Dance, which is gorgeous. It's a pretty nude with gold in it. I think this is gonna be my favorite. So I'm missing one of the lippies, right? So I went out again and I was like, I have to get it. And I got the last one, which is Sunday Fun Day. So they have 3 lippies and the packaging is just so freaking adorable. So freaking adorable. I freaking love it. And then I saw this one, the Beach Bay Light to Medium. I got this one because my niece was like, maybe try this one and this one. So I was like, okay, you know, I'll do both. So that's what we're going to be doing today, is the new L'Oreal Summer Collection 2019. I'm so freaking stoked. Oh, another thing. So I did get a package today, and this is from Spicy Co, I believe. And they sent me 4 of their Flawless Complexion Choco Blenders. It's Choco Blenders. And they sent me 4, and you guys already know the drill. FAMBAM gets some too. So I'll be keeping 2 and be giving 2 away. They're not all the same. They're all different. They have like different sizes and stuff. And I love that they come in this really nice container because it's going to be super easy to like pop it in there for travel. So I'm going to be playing with this one, and they feel so soft. You guys, when I opened it, I was like, oh my gosh, it feels really soft. So this is how it looks. I'm going to go get it wet so we can start this foundation. Okay, and this is how big it got. Look at that. Nice. So I am going to put my bangs up. Don't want them to get in the way. So we're going to be going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty, and I'm just going to be applying this in the areas that I need it most. I'm applying it here and applying it here, forehead. All right, so I was gonna go in with another foundation, but I want to keep this tutorial Drugstore. So going in with my CoverGirl Outlast Active Foundation, I'm in the shade Soft Honey. You guys already know I love this foundation. It treadmill, running with kids, waterproof. If you guys have not seen that foundation review, I'll definitely link it down below and up here. So let's just, I always want to just like squirt it on my face. Let's go in with some of this. And let's just start applying all over my face. So I do want to see how it goes like on the face, because this does say face and body. I'm just going to go in with a good amount like that, and I should have mixed it with my foundation, but I wanted to get like a good layer first and then go in with just like a small layer on top with this in there. So I just grabbed it a little bit, mixed a little bit, and it made it into it like this, which is going to give our face a really nice bronze look. And I'm just going to pat and just kind of just dab over. I just want to see if it gives it that like bronzed look, you know? Yeah, I did a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my two favorites. So I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Full Wear Concealer in Latte. I'm just going to apply just a little bit right here. Then going in with Milani Conceal in Perfect. This one is in Cool Toffee. This is another good drugstore concealer as well. Full coverage, gets the job done. Like you literally just need to just do like one dot because of how full coverage it is. Okay, so I did use the Huda Beauty in Blondie. This one has been my absolute fave recently. That one has just been amazing. Just like how it blurs underneath my eyes and around my nose. And you guys know I have been getting bigger pores right here, and I really like how it's been blurring it. So I've been obsessed with that one. So I'm so sorry that I used this one versus like a drugstore one, but I have not found a drugstore that gives me that same effect of it blurring right here. I feel like this is definitely worth the splurge to get this blurring effect, like literally in the problem areas that I like. So right here and right here blurs it perfectly. I love it. Now for the bronzers. So this side we're gonna do one, and then this side we'll do three, because I'm not really sure which one it would be. Yeah. So, oh, that is so beautiful. All right, so let's swatch. There's this one. That one's pretty. I wonder if the light is just gonna be a little bit too light. Yeah. The light. Yeah, one, I don't think I could pull off. One, I feel like is a little bit too light. Three is going to be the perfect one. All right, I'm going to go in with the J Cat highlighter brush. I'm going to use it to contour. I'm just going to whoosh in there. And just bronze my face up. I'm just going to bronze one side so you guys can see the difference. Bronzed. Ooh, that looks pretty, like the sun hit me. And then over here, it just looks like my contour right there. Like, oh, okay. And then, ooh, nice. So three for sure is gonna be the one for me. That looks nice. It looks nice and bronzed. Like, all right, now for the blushes. Now this is Blush Please. I love that. I love that. I love when like package names are like a little sassy, because you're like, Number 11. Beautiful. Let's see. There's number 11. Really pink, and boom. Then we have this one, which is I think the one I'm going to be using, which is number 12. And this one just is a little bit deeper than the pink. It's more like a mauve. Yeah, I feel like that's the one I'm going to be able to pull off. I feel like I can't rock really pink cheeks. I just can't. I feel like it looks like I'm doing too much, you know? I'm going to go in with one of my faves for blush is the Wet n Wild one. And again, we're going to go with number 12, and I'm just going to kiss it. I wonder if the gold stays like within the whole thing, like if it's just like a layer, you know what I mean? Or like if it goes deeper. I feel like it shows a little color, but if anything, it shows more of the shimmer. Like it picks up more of the shimmer, like on my face. Like it's not applying it like that, unless I add a lot. I feel like if anything, my cheeks just look like I just dipped them in shimmer a little bit. Yeah, to be honest, I don't think I'm gonna be a fan of the blush. I wanted it to be like my Belle from Milani because it has some shimmer in there too, and the Belle, but this one, it just feels like it's just like it doesn't look nice. Like I'm not like, oh, I'm like really, I really like it. I feel like this is something that I can probably pass on just because of how it applied. I feel like for sure I could probably pass on these. Like I don't like it. It makes me want to go in with I'm gonna go in with another blush. Flower Beauty, this one has, I want to go with the shimmer. This one has a little bit of shimmer. This one is Warm Hibiscus. And let me just go in with, let's just go in with my powder brush. I'm just gonna pick up some. And like, even though it has shimmer, you can still kind of see, I don't know if you guys can see the pink, but you can see the pink, you know? Like you can still see the warmth of the pink. And I feel like the L'Oreal one just didn't do it how I wanted it. Oh well, that's okay. Doesn't mean we gotta love like everything. Like we can't possibly love everything that comes out in the launch, you know? That is that. Okay, so before I apply my under eye, I'm gonna go with the makeup setting spray from JCat Beauty. And I'm just gonna go over with my beauty sponge and make sure that it's all soaked into my face. You can spray the beauty sponge directly, like, but I like just to do it this way too. My bottom lashes, I have really been loving this. This is the LA Girl Volumatic Full-On Voluminizing Mascara. And I really like how it just gets the individual lash and just kind of just makes it go whew, really nice. All right, so for highlighter, I do want to go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome 100 Molten Gold. And then just bam. Now for the lip glosses. I'm so freaking excited. So this one is Fun Day Sunday. Oh my goodness, these smell so good. Wow, that's pretty. They feel really, really nice on the lips. Like really moisturizing. So Fun Day Sunday. And it smells good. And I like how moisturizing they feel on my lips. Like they feel really, really good. So this one is See You Soon, but they spelled C-S-E-A. See You Soon. How cute. Because of the packaging, summer packaging. Get it? That's cute. Okay. Yeah, this smells good. Maybe it has like a little hint of pink, but this one just looks clear. Like clear, clear. Tropic, like it's hot and it's tropic, like tropical. That's cute. Yeah, this one has a hint. You can see like the red. Yeah, you can definitely see the red. Like that looks nice. And then this one, which I'm so excited about, this one is Shall We Dance? Shall We Dance. S-H-E-L, We Dance. Oh yeah. If I could probably tell you, like, if you were to ask, like, which one out of all four, this one. I'm probably gonna go back and get like a backup because this is pretty. So I do have the lippies from the Camila one that came out a long time ago. It feels like forever ago. At first I was like, they look kind of similar, but they are a little different. Like they kind of look similar, like looking at them. See, kind of, and then even the packaging too. But when I first saw the L'Oreal launch, I was like, they look kind of like the Camila one, but now like looking at it, they are kind of different. All right, so now on to bronzing, and we're going to see which one we like. So this one is going to be 22 medium deep. I do want to go in with the brush though. Oh, that's gonna give me a nice bronze. Like, yeah, you can already tell. Like, look how pretty that looks. Yeah, the light one. Let me see how this one is going to be. Yeah, see the light one? I don't think that one is going to work for moi. The gold one, I think it's going to be the one that's like, oh, that's so pretty though. How did Rihanna do it? She was like, oh. She did a prettier face. But you know what I mean. Yeah, that looks so pretty. I'll try and see if I can play a clip before I look bronzed to like now. Cause like it looks nice. Like you just look like you're glowing, you know, like, oh, hi. Let's see how it's gonna look on my leg. Okay, so that's my leg before, and let's see. Yeah, you can see the difference. It's a small difference, but you can tell. That looks nice. Ooh. They look alive, like they've been getting sun. It makes you want to keep applying because of how nice it gives you that really nice look. It says pump onto hands or brush and work it into the face and body. For that immediate summer glow, skin is instantly hydrated with a natural glow and non-greasy feel. That's true, I don't feel greasy. It doesn't feel tacky. I was like scared to touch my body because I was like, oh, it's gonna feel like even though it said non-greasy, I can like touch my body. Nice, like it's drying down. Nice. All right, so let's go through the goodies that we applied. So for the bronzer, I think number 3, perfect. It's perfect, really good. I feel like number 3 is what did it for me, and I really like it because it, even though it does have some shimmer, it goes on matte and it looks really nice and flattering on your skin. I like this one, and it's more of like a warm. It's not too much of a cool, and it just looks really nice and bronzed. Like, oh, you've been in the sun, like you look nice and bronzed, you know? Because there's some times where I don't want to have like a warm undertone in my bronzer, and I want more just that. But this I really like, and I like how it looks because I want to look like glowy and bronzed. So it did it. The blushes, I feel like you could pass on the blushes just because I wasn't too like, oh my goodness, like I really thought I was gonna get a little bit more of like an umph feeling, and to be honest, it was just like, like it didn't have me there all the way where I'm just like, oh yeah, these are nice, like with the blush, you know. And I'm not scared of shimmer either in a blush. I think if anything, it gives your face more of like that glow and oh, how cute. But these ones, unfortunately, I was kind of like what the hell? Maybe they should have went a little bit darker with the blushes and we would have got more of a payoff. But unfortunately, these two I have to say skip on those. Now for these babies right here, if you're a lighter complexion, I feel like you're going to love this one, or go with this one if you want more of like a golden bronze. I feel like this one is just like a perfect match, and I really like how it just like, especially my legs. I really like how my legs look right now. Like it look really nice, and I'm gonna wear a dress today, so babe, better watch out. But yeah, I really like it. It feels like nice, like you have like lotion on. It feels good, and it's not that like that nasty like weird lotion kind of feel. It feels good on the skin, like it dried down already. So if you're like, should I try it, should I not? Try it. I think it is worth it, especially if you like to like be like in tank tops and like shorts or like dresses or anything like that, and you want to like have your shoulders like, you'll love that. The lippies. I'm gonna give you guys my 2 favorites. My 2 favorites would be Sunday Funday and Shall We Dance, 1 and 4. These 2 are cute too, but I feel like, to be honest, like would I really gravitate to it and like pick it up and like use it every single day? Probably not. Maybe like, oh, I'm gonna wear this color today. All right, like maybe play with it, but these 2 for sure, you'll probably see them in my purse. These 2 probably not. So if you guys want like a really pretty nude, go for Sunday Funday, right? Yeah, Sunday Funday, really pretty. It has like a really pretty nudish brown to it, like a tint to it, very pretty. And then this one is just really pretty, and it has like the gold flecks in there. It's very nice, especially if you don't want to wear like anything on your lips. This is going to flatter it so much, and it's very hydrating, which I like. It just feels like nice, like feels like a balm in a sort of a way, like on your lips, and you don't feel like oh, you have like a lip gloss, you know? It feels like, oh, you have like a nice pretty balm on. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, but these 2 for sure are my favorites. So my favorites would have to be these babies right here that I recommend for you to go and try if you're looking to the collection already and you're just like, I don't know. These right here, woo, stole the show for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this L'Oreal review. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updating my videos. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, and I changed my chongo to a black one, so don't worry.